Zimbabwe's future depends on the 2018 elections. The 2018 election is a watershed election that must change the destiny of Zimbabwe. As Transform Zimbabwe, we've been part of NERA. We've been fighting for electoral reform, for we fully understand that one of the key things that we need as a nation to run a successful election is a new voters' roll. And the biometric voter registration process is on the way. We'd agreed as various stakeholders, together with the ZEC, that UNDP was leading the process of acquiring the BVR kits. But now government has turned back and said they want to do it through the State Procurement Board, which is unacceptable to us as stakeholders and important partners in the whole process. We know what government wants to do. They want to rig the system and the election through the State Procurement Board identified company. We know they want to register their own people through other means like they've done in the past. So, under the banner of NERA, we are saying there is a demonstration on the 22nd of March, which is Wednesday, whereby we are bringing all citizens together in Harare to say enough is enough, we have drawn a line in the sand. It is unacceptable for government to interfere in that process. For we know one of the key things that we need is the independence of ZEC. If they do interfere in that process, that means ZEC is compromised and is no longer independent. So we want to demonstrate. We want to make sure that, we resist them in that effort and initiative to rig the process. And there's no going back on that. So we're urging all Zimbabweans to come together, to come in the streets and demonstrate. And that's not only our strategy. We are also signing a petition to push SADC to ensure that they force them to respect the processes that we agreed upon. And we are also going to take legal processes to make sure that we take them to court to leave ZEC as an independent institution. So come and support us. Come join and let's work together to make sure that we bring change to our country. Come 2018, we must have a new Zimbabwe on the way. Thank you very much. Meet you on Wednesday.